Right, this is the Wethepeople versus 2011. I've got a few new things on it. These are the Primo Tallboy handlebars. The proper stem. Don't know what proper stem is. Sol Plus light aero rim.
Yeah.
And the Sol Plus aero. No, not the aero, just the Sol Plus light rim. Just the normal one.
This from this one.
Salt hubs. Salt everything. Salt forks. Oddly twisted root beer pedals, plastic. A Salt Plus sprocket. And an E-clat seat.
E-clat. Oh,
And a salt headset.
Unfortunately, he hasn't got
It's
the Skem Pirate showed requirement just yet. Like, I haven't got my Rodsy tyres.
But I've got the nice Showty Rodsy tyre on the front. And Van Zieberg. And Cultivate grips. And that is my bike.
Oh.
These were not nicked, by the way.
No, they wasn't nicked. What else?
Salt controls.
Oh yeah, is...
And salt controls.
Oh yeah. His rim, his front rim is just being sold for £55 on eBay.
And his back one is being sold for how much?
65.
£65 on eBay.
And I'll be getting like an orange proper custom wheel. And like a black wheel with a gold hub. I don't know yet what to get.
So, if anyone's interested to buy that knee back, just send us a message on YouTube.
We'll put the link in for the eBay account.
And I've also got my stock green handlebars from Matt Green.
£20.
£20.
Maybe lower to 16 if he's generous.
Yeah, a few scratches on.
A few.
Right then, anything else?
Skim Hearts.
Anything else?
Jody.
Right then.